Mana musik? Oh, dah. Itu dah.
Alright, everyone, let's start.
Okay.
What the government?
For today's debate, we would like to debating about we would like to ban private education. It's because private education in Indonesia it's not regulated. Currently, it's not regulated very strictly because of this, the quality control of the private education cannot be implemented. Many case in this one is there's some case there's kind of like a scamming private education where they will teach the student not the lecture that will get in their schools most of the time, and also by banning private education, it's also forced the student to make social with the other student in the school. And the last thing is the banning of private education also it's
Bukannya Bu.
Bukannya nggak apa-apa.
Kan ya Allah. You have the notes. You have notes. That's good. But you don't have to read.
I don't have one. Sampai di situ.
But notes are very important because it reminds you to go to the class.
Apa ya?
Oh, kita berdialog tahu.
Yeah. So basically, the banning of private education is so the government can regulate and control the quality and the process of the teach in this country. Yeah, I think that's how for me, and I would like to the other side.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Thank you, Boma. Then I will start speaking. My name is Aran, and I am the leader opposition of this argument or debate. I will give you three reasons why I think that banning the private education is a mistake. The first, by the existence of private education, there will be a more education towards kids that they are not confident with themselves to the society. This with private education, some kids or teenager, they will learn from the teacher that these teachers are educated. Are dedicated to the students of the private education, and they will learn from the teacher, especially, and then the students from the private education can learn from them and ready themselves to face the society or social parentalship. And then the second, I think by there is private education in Indonesia, there will be more parental control. By using private education, parents can observe their kids, how they learn, how they approach some problems, and how they think. And I think by their private education, some parents will feel safe about leaving their kids to the school or to the teacher. And then my last opinion about private education, What's the last one? Oh yes, there will be. I think by there is private education, there will be no bullying or harmful activity towards the students because in private education there's a smaller classroom. There are probably 5 or 10 people in there or kids, and from these smaller groups, there will be few or low possibility of harmful activities such as bullying or so on. That's my 3 reasons. Thank you very much, and we will go to Echa for the government.
Hello everyone, my name is Melissa Putri. I'm a deputy premier minister. Maybe I have 3 points about this term. First, reducing the social gap. Private education is often only available to wealthy families, creating a gap between rich and poor students. Students from a private school usually have better facilities, qualified teacher, and a greater chance of success. By banning private education, all students will be forced to access the same education system. This reduces the inequality and promotion social justice. 2. Improving the public education system. Private education often attract attention and investment from government and the upper class living public school with limited resources. If private education is banned, full attention will be given to improving the quality of public education, including improved facilities, teacher training, and curriculum. 3. Education as a human right, not a privilege. Education is a basic right of every individual, not privilege for those who can afford to pay. The ban of private education ensures that the quality of education does not depend on one's financial ability, but provide equity to all citizens. That's my point.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Misha. And my name is Alisa Rashford Sassoon, and I'm the vice leader. I refuse to believe because we stand firmly against the motion to ban private education. While we acknowledge the need for educational reform, banning private education is not the solution. Instead, we advocate for improving public education while preserving the right to educational choice. To begin with, private education should not be banned because it infringes on the parents' freedom to select what they believe is ideal for their children. Moreover, education is not the same for all. Different pupils may benefit from religious, specialized, or pedagogic education that is not offered in public schools. The abolition of private education leaves families without the ability to make decisions as per their values, needs, and aspirations. I'm going to give you the data. The public school system suffers from overloaded workloads because of the increased number of students. Also, private education serves to aid in some of the strain placed on public schools. For example, in the USA, around 4.7 million K-12 students are enrolled in private schools. And the last is private educational institutions contribute substantially to national economies. In the United Kingdom, private schools contribute for like 16.5 billion to the country's gross value added or GVA. Banning private education would not only disrupt educational diversity but also negatively impact economic growth and employment within the education sector.
Can I Pione? Ross Pione. I want to speak about the opinion from Bang Boma and Echa. Bang Boma said that there's some scamming tactics in private education, right? I think that's kind of correct, but how about we create a solution that the law of the government make a new rule or observe these potential scamming tactics for the private education, or yes, I think the law should strict their regulation for this potential scamming. And for Echa said that what is it? Private education. Wait.
For kids and kids.
No, not. Oh, the private education is pretty wealthy, kan? Yeah, that's pretty expensive. I think but while what Echa said is true, I think the government should make a new rules, or they give a funding to this expensive private education to minimize or not minimize, to reduce the cost for these students, so that this business of private education will still go on and we will not lose any employment or potential employment. Thank you. Echa.
Your turn. You also can give because you are the member and the whip.
I'm the week.
Well, okay lah. You are the whip, yes. Okay. So you make conclusion.
So the conclusion from the government is private education is the first thing from Burma is not regulated very strictly, so there is still a lot of loophole that can affect the children that studying the private education, such as they are scamming.
Yes,
And going to is there will be a gap between poor kids and rich kids in private education because the expensive methods that the parents support most. So I think that's the conclusion from government.
The judge, I think the judge should guide.
Masih start belum
Yeah,
bisa.
maksudnya I mean just guide the meeting.
My name is Siska. We in the opposition believe that banning private education is not the solution to addressing educational inequality inside the world. Take away the freedom of citizens to choose the best education for their children, overburden the already challenging public education system, and eradicate the positive contribution of many affordable and innovative private schools. We are not blind to the problem, but we believe that a more appropriate solution is to strengthen public education and regulate private schools fairly rather than banning them altogether. 3-4. We firmly reject this motion. Thank you.
Yeah, come on, give comment. We are waiting for the judges.
Tungguin guys dulu.
Why tapi mas?
Apa bang? Wah. Oh iya.
Mas.
Ini bang buat kakek susah.
Private education itu yang masih ada sekolahnya ya. Jadi bukan
Enggak.
semua.
Semua yang nggak diatur sama pemerintah.
Oke, tadi kan abang bilang scam. Kalau kita bilang mahal. Orang bilang kalau misalnya gitu kita bahas potensi kerja.
Makanya yang pertama bilang itu regulasinya.
Ya.
Kan nggak bisa dikontrol.
Bagaimana Pak Hakim?
Dia ada absen. Oh iya absen. Absen. Not yet absen.
Berarti ayo. Bilang kalau bisa dulu. Sih, kayaknya masuk terus. Baik. Baik. nih cewek-cewek pada takut dah. Pas gini.
Salah dulu.
Itu
Yeah. That's okay. Okay. No. Oh, yeah.
Just dong.
Ya, aku sih yang menjudge. Terus lagi. Okay, thank you guys.
Jadi katanya kalau sendiri bener
Aktif malah tahu.
Ini bukan aku banget ya.
Menang nggak lah.
Can you please keep comment to the document first? Keep comment to the document. Ini nggak ditutup
Oh,
nanti kelihatan.
mister.
Hah?
Terjatuh.
Terjatuh itu.
Oh, oke. Tapi aku bisa nutup.
Nah, ini aja.
Juga
Okay, thank you for your opinions about my debate. And I want to choose the win is to write opposition because I think private education it can be beneficial if it is legal and accredited. However, if it is however, if you don't have permission, you should avoid it and even report it to the relevant department because the risk is big for students and the community. Maybe banning private education houses is better because we will focus more on what we want to do, but this is very bad because it does not have permission for the government.
Ya. Wah.
kalau dari sini bantuin menangani para penontonnya dari topiknya, dari cara debaternya.
Aku juga gak tahu.
Yeah,
Ini
I
pertama.
always I used to talk. I mean, I talk already about how you become a jury, a judge. First, what you must you have to take attention. The first is the collaboration of the team. Oh yeah, the way they convey the data or the arguments, supporting by the members. Okay, and then also supported by the width until the conclusion can be got.
Jadi juri ngambil statement yang udah dari meja ya, bukan dari luar lagi.
Ya.
Jadi juri kayak ngambil statementnya yang udah dari meja. Jadi gak ngambil statement dari luar lagi juri.
Ya kan bisa.
Silakan yang
Oh yeah, of course, from the discussion.
Iya.
Yeah, from the discussion. But the most, I mean, the jury, you keep scoring based on the number one is performance of collaboration from the leaders to the width. Kolaborasinya nyambung nggak gitu dari support terus sampai conclusion yang dia punya arguments. Okay, and the second one, they don't go out of the tracks of the topic. Yang disampaikan tidak lepas dari topik. And then you support by the data of expert. Kalau di sini kan hampir nggak menyampaikan data dari expert. And then you have to speak. You have what you say should be make senses. Harus masuk akal. Do you think that what you say makes sense or not?
Enggak.
If you want to ban the private school, private education, you have to give reasons that can be make sense. Harus masuk akal.
Jangan stop.
Stop it.
Ntar next meeting jai dah.
Enggak, sama ini sir.